The Aishvarya, the opulence, the understanding of Krishna as God covered their Vatsalya Prem because their Vatsalya Prem was not as deep and not as mature as that of Yashoda and Nanda Baba. So this is the point that Vishwanath is making, that when the love is not yet mature, prema shrinks. That's what in the Bengali shloka describing this concept, it says shitala. But that's why he says prema shrinks or becomes less perfect during meeting, or during union or meeting with Krishna, if Aishvarya is revealed. Like, for example, Vasudeva and Devaki, they just saw Krishna and Balaram. They became so much awe and reverence. They start offering prayers. Oh, you are Bhagavan, you are this. What is this? Your son comes home, here's the prime minister, and you offer prayers. Oh, hail the king, hail the prime minister. You are the prime minister. What is this? Now when Mother Yashoda, she looked in the mouth of Krishna at Brahmandagat when he was 5 years old, or 3 years old, and he was eating clay, and he opened his mouth and she saw the whole Virata Rupa in his mouth. Mukh Vitar Virata Rup Darshan. She didn't say, oh, I'm sorry, I breastfed you. Like Arjun, when Arjun in 11th chapter of Gita, he had Virata Rup Darshan. He said, oh Krishna, please forgive me. Krishna Saketi. Krishna, I thought of you as, you're my Sakha, you're my friend, but actually you're the Virata Rupa, you're Bhagavan, you're God. Please forgive me. We slept on the same bed together, we ate together, but I didn't realize, please forgive me. So, it's Mother Yashoda, when she saw Krishna's Virata Rup, she didn't fold her hands and say, oh, I'm sorry, I breastfed you. I thought you, if I didn't feed you, you were crying. I thought you depended on me. I thought I had to correct you. I chased you with a stick. Please forgive me. I didn't know you're Bhagavan. You don't need any of this. Please forgive me. She didn't say any of that. She said, what is this? Oh, this must be some mystic illusion. This must be mystic illusion created by some tantric. So this is as he says, so prema shrinks or becomes less perfect. So Yashoda says the whole Virata Rupa, and she just thought, oh, what is this? Anyway, what's going on? I don't know. I didn't sleep enough last night. What am I saying? Anyway, here, take my breast milk. Okay. Krishna Kaniya, Krishna Kaniya. So she just forget about the Virata Rupa. So this is the difference between the Vishuddha Vatsalya Prema of Yashoda and Nanda and the Prema of Vasudeva and Devaki. So that's why we say Braja Prema and the residents of Braj are the greatest devotees, and Braja Prema is the greatest expression of Vatsalya, Sakya, Dasya, and Madhurya. Prema shrink, although in this instance the gopis are meeting with Krishna, they are expecting separation. And thus they have a realization of Krishna's Aishvarya caused by their perfectly pure love. This is the mysterious working of prema itself. Even when the love is imperfect, it reveals Krishna's glories. Then what to speak of when it's completely perfect? Thus the magnitude of the gopis' experience of Krishna's greatness is the measure of the greatness of their love. So what he's saying is that the gopis, their love is so great, and in separation, somehow that fire of separation from Krishna illuminates their hearts, so they actually understand that the highest possible conceptions about Krishna's identity. But the understanding of the Krishna's identity and the understanding of Krishna's position as a Paratattva and as the Vibho and as the Paramatma and as the Adi Purush and all these things, it doesn't diminish their intense love. It doesn't make them change their viewpoint that Krishna's just a beautiful boy of the village of Braj. He's a beautiful boy of Nanda Gokul, and we're gopis, so it's very natural that we fall in love with the local playboy, the local village hero. He's the hero of our village, and we all just love him. We don't know who he is or what he is. And this is Ragmarg, and this is the Ragatmika Bhakti of the Braja Gopis and of all the Vrijvasis. Krishna is just their family member, he's their friend, he's their lover. We don't know anything more than this. And this type of intimacy, this type of simplicity, this type of attachment, this depth of love has completely mystified and attracted and bewildered the minds of the greatest intellectuals and the greatest munis and rishis and human beings, and even the greatest and most stalwart and powerful, illustrious devatas controlling this whole universe, like Shiva and Brahma. Shiva, Brahma, Uddhava, they're all bewildered by the love of a little 14-year-old girl named Radha. Radha.